Hello friends, welcome again and learn verbs in English and Urdu with sentences from A to B. So let's start Salo with this first word accept. कबूल करना. I accept your apology. Accuse. इल्ज़ाम लगाना. Tom accused me of lying. Achieve. हासिल करना. She achieved remarkable results. Acknowledge. तस्लीम करना. She acknowledged receiving assistance. Acquire. हासिल करना. Meg acquired many new friends. Adapt. अपनाना. ढालना. He adapted himself to his new life. Add. जमा या शामिल करना. I added a room to my house. Adjust. आरास्ता करना. You will soon adjust to living in a dormitory. Admire. तारीफ करना. I admire your confidence. Admit. मानना. He was embarrassed to admit making a mistake. Adopt. इख्तियार करना. I liked your idea and adopted it. Adore. मोहब्बत करना. He adores his grandfather. Advice. मशवरा देना. He advised applying at once. Afford. गुंजाइश निकालना. I cannot afford to spend any more money this week. Agree. मुत्तफिक होना. Why did you agree to meet her in the first place? Aim. मकसद. We aim to increase the speed of delivery. Allow. इजाज़त देना. Swimming is not allowed here. Announce. ऐलान करना. She announced her intention to retire. Anticipate. मुतवक्का करना. I did not anticipate having to do the cooking myself. Apologize. माजरत चाहना. You don't have to apologize. Appear. नमूदार होना. Jack appears to be tired today. Apply. दरख्वास्त करना. Tom applied for a leave of absence. Appreciate. कदर करना. I appreciate having a trouble with his supervisor. Approach. रसाई. She approached him with a smile on her face. Approve. मंजूर. I don't think Tom would approve. Argue. दलील देना. I don't want to argue with you. Arise. उठना. The problem has arisen simply because you did not follow my instructions. Arrange. बंदोबस्त या इंतज़ाम. Have you arranged to meet Mark this weekend? Arrive. आना. We arrived home late. Ask, पूछना. Historians frequently ask to consult the collection. Assume, फर्ज करना. I assume he did not show up. Assure, यकीन दहानी. I assure you Tom will be perfectly safe. Astonish, चकित करना. I was astonished by his ignorance. Attach, मुंसलिक करना. You need to attach your photo to the application form. Attempt, कोशिश. Are you going to attempt to pass the exam? Attend, तवज्जो करना या शिरकत. She attends a school at noon. Attract, खींचना. Tom certainly attracted a lot of attention. Avoid, बचना. She decided to be a nun in order to avoid meeting him. Awake, जागना, बेदार. Tom awoke at daybreak. Bake, पकाना. Tom baked some muffins. Bath, नहाना, गुस्ल देना. I bath every day. Be, होना. He is immature. Bear, बर्दाश्त करना. I wish she would not eat so fast. I can't bear watching her. Beat, पीटना. You can't beat me. Become, बन जाना. John became very sick. Beg, मांगना. I beg to differ with you. Begin, शुरू करना. The leaves begin to fall when autumn comes. Behave, बर्ताव या सलूक करना. Tom always behaves himself well. However, Mary does not. Thank you for watching the video.